Welcome to this detailed guide on how to center an image on your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate your WordPress dashboard, locate the correct image block, and apply the proper alignment settings so your images are displayed perfectly in the center of your page. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking this login button initiates the process of accessing your WordPress backend. After clicking Login, you will be presented with the choice to continue using a Google account. Select the Continue with Google option and choose the account you normally use to manage your WordPress site. This method streamlines the login process by securely linking your WordPress account to your Google credentials and avoids the need to remember an extra password. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Link section on your dashboard. In this section, locate and click on the Edit Site option. This action will open the site editor where you can make modifications to your website's content and layout. Within the editor, access the document overview to get a full view of your page and all the blocks it contains. This overview helps you quickly locate the specific image block you want to center. Once you have identified the image block, click on it to select it. Selecting the block is essential because it allows you to access additional customization options. After the block is active, look for the three dots icon, which represents more block-specific settings. Click on the three dots to reveal extra options, then select the Group option. Grouping the image block ensures that your adjustments affect only the intended element, which is especially useful if multiple blocks exist on the page. Next, shift your focus to the right-hand panel of the editor and click on the Block tab. Within this tab, scroll until you find the Justification section. Here, you will see several alignment options. Click on Justify Center to align your image in the middle of the page. After applying Justify Center, preview your website to confirm that the image is now perfectly centered. This simple process enhances the visual appeal of your page and ensures a professional look. By following these steps, you have successfully centered an image on your WordPress site, demonstrating how easy it is to make effective layout adjustments. Use this technique anytime you want to refine the alignment of images or other content blocks to create a clean and organized website design. Enjoy the improved appearance of your site and the confidence that comes with mastering these essential WordPress editing tools. Happy WordPress using!